Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for December 18th, 2025, this Thursday edition. We're going to be looking at the severe thunderstorm warnings for the lower 48 United States. Please hit that subscribe button and like button here so we can get into the latest video here. Courtesy of Radar Scope here, we're looking at severe thunderstorm warnings in several states in the deep south from Kentucky to Mississippi and also in the Midwest and Indiana. We have Alabama, but right now we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Most of these are producing hail greater than 1 inch and 60-mile-an-hour wind, straight line wind. So if you're in Mississippi here, this is going to be for Mississippi for Nockabee and Okabia counties here, just west of Crawford and Brooksville, Mississippi here. There's a possible rotation tornado watch remains in effect for 9 p.m. This includes all of northeastern and east central Mississippi. But the severe storm warning remains in effect for 60-mile-an-hour wind, straight gusts, and also rotation is expected. So damage to roofs, siding, and trees. So please get indoors, the lowest level of your house, and put as many walls between you and this storm as it comes through Crawford, Brooksville, and Columbus, Mississippi. Tornado watch in effect for the whole area for south and eastern, southern and eastern Mississippi until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time here. And so once again, these storms are producing hail, as you can see here in the reflectivity. These storms are producing that velocity here, storm relative velocity. You can see the greens and the couplings here mashing together here from the radar data here, as you can see in eastern Mississippi, from Columbus, West Point, Mississippi, back toward just left Starkville, Mississippi there, Mississippi State there, heading toward Brooksville. So if you're in Brooksville, Macon, Columbus, heading toward the Alabama and Mississippi State line, be very careful there as that velocity is rotating and increasing there. And you can see there's a line, this is the first line, then there's a line coming back here that's going to be coming back up here. This line is going to become the secondary line that's coming later tonight, but this first line right here is producing rotation, strong wind, lightning, and hail up to 1 inch, along with 60-mile-an-hour wind. So this once again, this is for severe thunderstorm warning for Nockabee and Okabee counties, as well as Neshoba County here. This is in Philadelphia, Mississippi, just to the south. Possible tornado was located. Severe thunderstorm was located over Dowdville, 8 miles south of Pearl River, moving east at 35 miles an hour. So these are fast-moving storms. So Philadelphia, Neshoba, and Dixon, Mississippi, Tucker and Bethesda also here, and Union, you're in this area here for this line here that's rotating and producing hail and extremely heavy winds and rain there as well. And you can see the precipitation depiction there shows that strong precipitation in Tucker, just south of Philadelphia, and Union and Mississippi here, and that's going to continue to make its way toward the south here. Looking at the velocity here, the correlation coefficient, we don't see anything debris drops there. We see a few little couplings west of Union, Mississippi, but nothing to be concerned about. But there is heavy rain, winds, and lightning. Kentucky as well. Christian and Todd County, Kentucky's just to the southeast of Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and Fort Campbell. Heavy rain in that area as well. Severe thunderstorm warning. This extends all the way out until next 30 minutes here for Christian and Todd County, Kentucky, as well as in Indiana, just to the north of the river there. And Clark, Harrison, Scott, and Washington counties for severe thunderstorm warning. Hail greater than almost 3/4 of an inch and 60-mile-an-hour winds, and a possible tornado with that cell. Now in Alabama too as well, Colbert and Lauderdale counties, this is up in Muscle Shoals area. So if you're in Cherokee, Gravelly Springs, just to the north of the Tennessee River there, severe thunderstorm warning is coming in effect for 60-mile-an-hour straight line winds and hail greater than 3/4 of an inch, as well as a possible rotation there just to the west of Cherokee here with this cell here that's coming over. That's what we have severe thunderstorm warnings. We also have a Gulf marine warning, special marine warning down in the Gulf of America here. This extends from Carabel, Choppy, back towards Crawfordville. So if you're coming on Route 98 there, U.S. Highway 98 from Crawfordville back towards Choppy and Twerabell, heading toward Apalachicola, there is some showers there, and then off the coast here, your boating interest, there could be some possible water spouts there along this area here for this cells here that are out in the open waters here, about 20 nautical miles off the coast here, 15, 20 miles off the coast. So that's what we have going on here. And then the rest of us is snow squalls in Canada here, way up into Canada here, way up into Ontario province, Canada. British Columbia, Canada, and Prince George, Bear Lake, providing much needed snow there. But there's snow squall warnings there just to the north of Williams Lake and Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. Thank you for joining me on this Weather Guru podcast. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.